Today I am reviewing Z-Edge UG24 24-inch curved gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a gaming monitor that delivers high-end performance without breaking the bank, the Z-Edge UG24 24-inch curved gaming monitor might just be the perfect pick. This monitor offers a fantastic balance between speed, immersion, and visual quality, making it ideal for gamers who want smooth gameplay and an immersive viewing experience. At 24 inches, it's the perfect size for both compact gaming setups and multi-monitor configurations. The first thing that stands out about the Z-Edge UG24 is its 1650R curved screen. This curvature creates a subtle wraparound effect that helps draw you right into the action, making every gaming session feel more immersive. Whether you're racing down tracks, battling enemies, or watching cinematic game cutscenes, the curve enhances your peripheral vision and creates a greater sense of depth. It's not just a design gimmick, it genuinely adds to the overall experience. Now, let's talk about performance. With an impressive 180Hz refresh rate, this monitor goes well beyond standard 60Hz or even 144Hz displays. What that means for you is buttery smooth motion with ultra-low latency. Every frame transitions faster, every movement feels more responsive, and competitive gameplay becomes sharper and more precise. Paired with a 1 millisecond MPRT response time, motion blur and ghosting are virtually eliminated. You'll notice how crisp and clean fast-paced sequences appear, especially in shooters, racing games, and esports titles where every millisecond counts. To make things even better, the Z-Edge UG24 features AMD FreeSync technology, which synchronizes your graphics card and monitor's refresh rates to prevent screen tearing or stuttering. The result is an incredibly smooth and fluid gaming experience that keeps you locked into the action without distractions. On top of that, the monitor includes flicker-free and low blue light technology, which reduce eye strain during long gaming or working sessions. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in comfort, especially for marathon gamers. In terms of picture quality, the full HD 1080p resolution paired with a 3000:1 contrast ratio delivers sharp, vibrant visuals. Blacks are deeper, whites are brighter, and the colors really pop off the screen. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing photos and videos, the display produces vivid images with impressive detail. The VA panel provides wide 178-degree viewing angles, so even when you're not sitting directly in front of it, the picture remains consistent and clear. The monitor also supports HDR, which enhances brightness and contrast for more dynamic visuals. HDR content looks noticeably better with improved highlights and more realistic shadows, giving your games and videos a cinematic edge. Combined with its matte anti-glare finish, reflections are kept to a minimum, ensuring a distraction-free experience even in bright rooms. When it comes to design, the Z-Edge UG24 continues to impress. It features a sleek, three-sided edge-to-edge display, giving it a modern and premium aesthetic. The minimal bezels are especially useful for multi-monitor setups, where you can line up 2 or 3 screens for an expansive, immersive gaming environment. The monitor also supports VESA wall mounting, so you can easily mount it on the wall or a monitor arm to save desk space and create the perfect setup for your needs. In terms of connectivity, the Z-Edge UG24 includes both HDMI and DisplayPort inputs, making it compatible with PCs, gaming consoles, and even laptops. Switching between devices is easy and seamless. Inside the box, you'll also get an HDMI cable, power adapter, and stand, so you're ready to go right out of the package. Another major plus is its energy efficiency. The monitor only consumes about 23 watts of power, which is great if you game for long hours or leave your setup running throughout the day. Overall, the Z-Edge UG24 curved gaming monitor brings together a powerful mix of performance, style, and value. The combination of a 1650R curved display, 180Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and FreeSync support makes it a great choice for gamers who want fluid gameplay without the hefty price tag. Add in the sleek design, vivid colors, and eye care features, and you've got a monitor that feels premium at an affordable cost. If you're in the market for an affordable curved gaming monitor that delivers smooth, responsive, and immersive gameplay, the Z-Edge UG24 should definitely be on your radar. It's proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to get top-tier gaming performance and stunning visuals.